Hi, good evening. I'm going to read a story for you today because it is World Literacy Day. So, welcome to a story on World Literacy Day. Hakeem's Hiccups. Author Sadaf Siddiq. Illustrator Studio Baba Kiki. In the bylanes of Sabzi Bazaar, amidst the rows of drying achar, mixing powders and potions in pots of clay, Hakeem Sahib was busy seeing patients all day. By evening, the Hakeem's lips were chapped. His tummy was rumbling like a thunder clap. A glass of water would have been divine. But he was fasting and it wasn't yet time. Listening to the sodawala's tick-tocking heart, Hakeem found his pulse was 2 beats apart. As Hakeem Sahib reached for his white pepper antidote, he felt a bubble raise all the way up his throat. Oh my, oh dear! I hold my breath. I'll pull my ear. His hiccups came and went. That was a most unusual event. So that's the story of Hakeem Sahib, which is called as Hakeem's Hiccups. Thank you.